too long. Don't wait too long. Don't wait too long.
What's up, guys? Basically, in this video, I'm showing you how I created this unit of hair. It's literally 2 different wigs that I put together. It's not perfect, like it could be better, I'm sure. I'm gonna make changes to it as time goes on. It's kind of flat now. I've been on live for some hours now, so let me know how you feel about it. Let me know if you like it. You feel free to comment. I know I'm very like harsh when it comes to like appearances, but that's just to ward off like the trolls, you know? It's fine, like we can talk about how I look, whatever that day. It's just, if the people that don't know me like that, it's like, please don't feel so comfortable. Like never, don't ever feel comfortable. But anyway, yeah, so with that being said, get into the video. I hope you enjoy it. Hopefully I mentioned in the video how many hours it took me, but we'll come back after the video and we'll chat. If you're a new viewer, please subscribe. Don't forget to like the video also if you liked it. Get into it, yeah, enjoy. Alright, for my next trick, I'm gonna turn this old ass wig. This isn't the curly one. Well, the curly one's over there, but this one has like crazy lace shedding. And I was gonna just like get the lace replaced, which I probably still could do after I do my little DIY. I'm gonna try to sew as neat as possible. Oh, I think I wanna do like a bang situation, but like I don't know how I'm gonna hide. I'm gonna mess around and see what I come up with. But yeah, wish me luck. I think I'm gonna use this blue wig just because I miss having more color. So I'm cutting off this part because it's like really like sparse. You can see through it, like it's so fucked up. Okay, so yeah, I'm cutting off this top flap and then I'm gonna replace it with this part of the other wig because it's like the least damaged on that wig, funny enough. So let's see how it turns out. Okay, so this is what we're left with, and basically this piece that I removed, I'm gonna use this to trace the lace of the other wig. I don't think I'm gonna record it. I'm just gonna do it as fast as possible. And yeah, it kind of looks gross because there's like foundation still on it, but whatever. I'm gonna sew it up, then wash it, and then style it all as one unit. So you guys know this wig, it's fucking old. Yeah, I'm gonna cut off the extra lace that's like along here in the front. And yeah, it's pretty healthy in the middle, but it's just like, you know, so. And also I cut so much lace off. The reason I can't just wear it as is because I cut so much lace off like over time from it thinning in the front that it just doesn't like fit my head anymore. So I would rather do something, recycle it. If you're wondering, I'm watching Cowboy Bebop. Okay, but yeah, here's the frontal piece that we're gonna stick on. The laces are a bit of a different color, but that's something we could easily fix. So I'm gonna figure out how to stitch this in an inconspicuous way and wash it, style it, and all that, and we'll see. This is my template, and I have like way more, if you can see. So sorry for the background, but whatever. Okay, I have my thread, which is not even like hair thread, and I have my needle, which is not a curved needle, but baddies are resourceful. This is from my sewing kit. We're gonna make it work. Whatever, I'll update you. Okay, look at this blend, and I haven't even sewn anything yet. I just take this, and I kind of just wiggle it into place under there. And look at that, it's already like coming together. I could like clip this and it would work, but I'm gonna sew it because I don't want to take chances. Okay, so it's sewn on. You can see it if you really look for it. Like if you really, maybe not, but whatever. I'm going to make this like a bang hairstyle, so it's gonna be unclockable. About to try it on. This is what my ghetto stitch job looks like. I don't know if you can see it. Time to make this make sense. It's gonna be cute. I keep saying cute. I need a new adjective. Yeah, because it's so long and like thick, and now like it's unclockable. I'm gonna make it real nice, but let's wash it first.
You never answered my question.
You're not listening to Cam Bam's radio, baby.
Okay, I don't know. It's kind of straightened. Like, it's still a bit wet in the middle, so I'm just trying to figure out how I'm gonna cut these bangs. I feel like I should properly install it before I, like, cut it and shit. Yeah, this is way too big. I'm like, how did I, like, manage to get a brand new wig that's way too big for me? It's nice, though. Of course, I'm wearing black, so you can't see, but I trimmed it a little bit just so it looks fuller. But I think I could trim more. Let me see. It's straight, but it's still giving me like cheap, so I'm gonna cut it and add like volume and layers and shit. I'm gonna do the original intended hairstyle that I had in mind for this, and we're gonna pray for the best. I gotta do a triangle. Ah, broke a nail in the process too. Okay, I feel like this will be enough, but I also don't feel like it's gonna be enough. But like, we can always add more. We can't overdo it. Okay, I'm so nervous. I also want to do layers here. Wow, the way I'm scared. Okay, we got this. Okay, I'm gonna cut longer, just in case. Okay. Ooh, maybe like just a little shorter, because I want them to be long bangs. Okay, let me see what it looks like if I bump it. This isn't even on.
Because I'm from Ghana, so I'm not going to tell you how much they cost. I'm not going to.
You're still just a teensy bit too long. Just a teensy bit too long. I feel like if I cut it, I'm going to hate it, but if I keep this on, I feel like I'm also going to hate it. So let me just flatten it out again, so I can get this even as possible. I don't even want that much off. Literally like that. Now yes, okay, this is what we're going for. It's cute, I like it. I want to add some volume on the sides. I'm gonna cut it, but on like a diagonal. I'm just gonna do a blunt cut, but on an angle. Okay, I'm gonna stop cutting this on camera because I'm kind of fucking it up. Okay, yeah, I like the idea of it being kind of like shaggy-ish. I'm just gonna have to keep adding some layers where need be. Okay, I gotta do that same thing that I did there to this side. Here, I'll give you like a 360. This is kind of what I was going for. It's giving Topanga, you know, Ashley Banks. I hope you can't see the mess on my bed, but yeah, I just wanted something that wasn't so like, that didn't have to be so perfect all the time. Now I can like live my life, throw on a t-shirt and go, provided that like I don't have to flat iron it every day. But I'm gonna sleep with it in a tight bun, and before I like wrap it up in a bun, but then I'm just gonna like, you know, bump the ends. I used to hate when my mom would bump my ends, and here I am bumping away. Yes, and then like I can put it in a ponytail. I have bangs. Yeah, I needed to switch it up. I miss bangs. I don't know what took me so long to remember that bangs were a thing. It just has to be autumn, because last autumn around this time I had purple bangs. Yeah, this is a vibe. I'm gonna go hit the dispensary. I'll come back and show you when my nails and makeup are done. I hope I get my nails done tonight. I should, right? I'm gonna pick them off while I'm smoking and do some press on, so it should be fine. It's a little cloggable, but yeah, I don't mind. I don't mind at all. I'm gonna take some of this got to be glued and just so the hair knows what direction it belongs in. You know those ones? Oh, let me update you. My lips are so dry, so maybe I'll wait. But I went to the dentist today and I got my teeth. I had like, not a gap, but I had a bit of a chip in a couple of different places because I like opened beer bottles with my teeth, and also like I used to fight. So just little things like that. Over time, I'd be losing little bits of my teeth here and there. They're overall really healthy, but it's just those things, they were like a little sharp. And she fixed them. And my dentist, well, yeah, my dentist was a lady, which is awesome, girl power. Actually, come to think of it, everybody's a woman. Like the hygienist, the dentist assistant, and the dentist, all women. I'm very pleased and blessed to be in such a circumstance. And actually, yeah, my family doctor's a woman too. Girl power, what? All these fucking women in like powerful positions. You think my mom could have like allowed me following my dreams from time, but no. Okay, so yeah, I'm probably gonna live the rest of my life like this because I think it's adorable. And yes, that is that. Oh, it's bothering me that this side is like a little thinner, so I'm gonna thin this side out. But I'm happy to have a different hairstyle. And like my curly wig, my regular wig is still very much good to go. I just wanted something else for the time being. Now I can wear more earrings and stuff. I just wanted to switch it up, you know. Ta-ta for now. We'll talk soon when I look like full-on baddie. Okay, that was the video. I hope you liked it. You know the deal, whatever. Like, comment, subscribe, turn on notifications so you get notified every time I post. If you have a comment for me, leave a comment in the comment section. My makeup is tired. Listen, it's been a long day. I've been liven it up. I got a new toothbrush, Oral-B. Supposed to get 3 times more plaque out of my teeth. Super excited about this. It's also rechargeable. I did an unboxing on TikTok Live. So yeah, don't forget, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you would attempt to do what I did today. Okay, before I should go, I should mention that both of these wigs were originally from Bundle Bar. I got them like last year. The one on the bottom was plain black, and then the one on the top, I think you recognize the half and half. I have more of blue, but it's just like, it's so damaged that I think I'm just gonna color other bundles that I have and sew them in to picking up the blue situation. Cause yeah, this is cheesing me, but so far so good. Like for a little DIY moment, I think I killed it. Like I really think I killed it. The edges are trash. I did everything else so well. I had to fuck up something, so the edges are trash, but yeah, whatever. I don't know how many hours it took me, but it took hours, definitely hours. I really should get into making more wigs and like doing hair myself, because like I'm not terrible at it. I just have no patience. But lately I've been bored enough, so it's good. Like in the live today, I was messing around with some hairstyles. I did the pigtails, which was kind of cute. It looks kind of good like that. I can also do kind of like a messier, I don't know if it's gonna work right now, but do like a messy half up, half down. Or like, it's not really working right now, but it's got range. It's got range, I promise. So yeah, that's it for this video though. I'm tired, man. I've been talking to a camera like all fucking day. I'm over it. I'm gonna go eat something and relax. I gotta take all this shit off, and I'm actually kind of looking forward to it. I can't lie. So yeah, I get distracted so easily. I should have done all this before I did the live, but whatever, it is what it is. Don't forget to follow me on TikTok. I might put in a couple here, maybe not, who knows. But yeah, take care for now, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Have a good one.
Don't wait too long.